Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia, and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig-related content here. We are multicultural, we are inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're my doll baby. Hi, doll baby. How are you? So happy that you are here. Today, we have another partner for glasses that I am working with. And so, let's open the box, because I haven't even opened the box. This is how it came. Kitten is with us. She's right here lounging. It is a beautiful, like, sort of early fall type of day where it's super sunny, but it's still, you know, cooler out. Alright, so it came like this too, which is really cool. These are from Koala Eye. I'll put that on the screen. They are prescription glasses. You can get them with or without a prescription in the lens, but I have been in need of reading glasses with blue light, so that's what these are. They were gracious enough to send them to me for me to test them out. I have been using these ones that I reviewed for another company, and I've been using them all the time. Their style is called Weird. They're like my Harry Potter glasses. But so when I was approached to work with this company, I said yes, because I am now in need of glasses all the time. And I know you guys really liked those videos and finding different companies that you can purchase from online to save you money, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna open up this box. So I haven't seen them since I ordered them, and to be honest with you, I actually forget which ones I decided on, because there was a couple different ones. So, I mean, this is me and you doing this together. So it does come with this large, like, cleaner for your glasses. And it comes in this beautiful case, and then it also comes in another really pretty sort of plastic protection. These are so cute. The whole thing has a protection on it, which is really cool. This is the style. I'll put the style name and the picture from the actual website so you can see. Wow, these feel really nice. They feel very sort of luxurious, if you will. Wow. Do they have the blue light? Yeah, you can see. Do you see that? That's how you can tell it has the blue light. You can see the reflection from the window and off my lights. Okay, so let's put this on. This wig that I'm wearing right here is Noriko's Eden. There should be a review up. If not, she's coming up. But let's also practice putting glasses on with wigs. So this one has bendable ear tabs. Those work the best. So I'm going to bend the ear tabs up, and I'm going to put on the glasses. The blue light's really nice. They look so cute. Oh my gosh. They look really, really, really pretty. I definitely enjoy them. Wow, these are gorgeous. I only need them for for reading, so I'm gonna put them down, but they are definitely, I mean, they're a nice, like, weight. The frames are very, very nice. I'm actually pretty impressed. I'll put all of the information of where you can purchase them, and then also sort of like promo codes or anything like that, and a link directly to this particular style. So now I bent the ear tabs back. It also helps to hold your glasses on, but then see, you don't have to worry about with a wig, wearing them with a wig. I did take some photographs outside, so I'll include those. These are like the cutest style because these are beautiful. The weight is nice. It's just, they're so pretty. They're a cute style. I love the blue light on them. I do have a discount code for you down below where you can get your first frame for $4.99, and then you just pay for whatever lenses that you want. So I will include that. This particular style is considered a large style. As you can see, that's sort of pretty large on my face. So you can choose different styles that are like smaller or medium, depending on what you're looking for and what you like and all of that. So that is what I have for you for this video. If you like these types of videos, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what you think. If you end up getting glasses from this company, please let me know which ones you got, because I am really interested to see what you would pick out. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!